Alright, maybe you just got into FPV as a hobby and now you're finding that you don't have a lot of time to go out and fly. Well, with a full-time job, a family and responsibilities, you don't often have that much time to go around and fly, maybe travel far or anything, and maybe you don't have the most amazing spots right next to where you live. Wait, maybe you do, but that's another topic. If you don't, like me, you got to be creative. I have a somewhat decent sized garden, and today I just got 2 race gates that I put up that I'm gonna freestyle with. I also cut a hole in my trees, and I have a few different objects in there where I can go fly, and that really helps practicing when I don't have a lot of time to spare. So I don't have to travel a lot. I just take my drone, take my controller, put on the goggles and go out and fly in the garden. So let's get out there and get flying.